In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter out collection list items in Webflow. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you don't want certain content to be displayed on your page, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing a blog, an online portfolio, or an e-commerce site, there are times when you might not want every bit of content to be showcased. Thankfully, Webflow offers a straightforward way to do this through its powerful CMS collections feature. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you need to do is access the CMS collections within your Webflow project. This is the hub where all your content is managed. You can do this by clicking on its icon located at the top left of your screen. It's easy to spot, but if you're a keyboard shortcut enthusiast like me, simply press Alt+C. This shortcut brings you directly into the CMS collections area, saving you a few clicks. Here, you'll see a list of all your content organized under different collection names. It's almost like a digital library for your site. Once you're in the CMS collections section, the next step is to locate the specific content item you want to filter out from being displayed. Take a moment to find the collection that houses the content in question. Once you have the right collection open, scroll through to find the item you wish to manage. Click on it to open its settings window. This is where the magic happens. As you navigate through the settings, keep an eye out for the featured toggle switch. This switch plays a crucial role in deciding whether or not your content is displayed. It's typically located towards the bottom of the settings page, so you might need to scroll down a bit to spot it. Once you find it, it's time to take action. Simply click the toggle to switch it off. This action tells Webflow to automatically prevent this particular item from being featured on any elements you've connected to this CMS list. It seamlessly removes the unwanted content from view without affecting the rest of your collection, allowing the other items to display as normal. And just like that, you've successfully filtered out content from your collection list in Webflow. It really is as simple as flipping a switch. By controlling the visibility of your content with this feature, you can keep your pages looking exactly how you want them without any distractions. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your Webflow content. Thanks for joining me, and feel free to explore more of Webflow's features to unleash the full potential of your website.